Hello there, great people. Hope you are doing well. Greetings from Portugal. Nuno here once again today with another video, and it is, as you can see, a follow-up on iOS 12.1 beta 3. And I'll try to be quick, but in order for to correspond to your requests, I have here three devices. So my iPhone 8, an iPhone 6 and an iPhone 5s. Okay, all of them are running version, of course I will show you in all of them. You can see the version 12.1 and you can see the build number. It corresponds to the beta 3. Now, regarding follow-up on this device, I don't have any issues. This is an iPhone 8. I know that people with the new iPhone XS are having major issues with battery life. I don't have, in fact, any issues here. For example, just for you to see, let's go here to the battery. Okay, the battery health on this device is 95%. Of course, today is Sunday. I didn't use too much this phone. It was charged till 9 a.m. this morning. Still has 90% left, and I use it about 1 hour and 30 minutes, on screen on time. It's running almost 1 week, that I installed. It was on Tuesday. Tuesday, yes, I installed this beta 3, and everything, seems to working without any flaws on this iPhone 8. Now, I want to focus on older devices. Okay, now let's start here with some. Let's go ahead here to the build number also for you to check. As you can see, the model, the version is 12.1. As you can see, the build number is over there, the same, and the model is over here if you want to check if it is or not an iPhone 6. Okay, I know there are some people always, on the comments saying, that it's not the, that phone, and you know the drill. Now, the state of this battery is it's 100% still. It is a well-beaten phone, but it's still running great. And let's go here. The battery life, according to my daughter, and she's a heavy user, the young guys and girls, heavy users, and the phone lasts almost a day, but they are always on the phone. Now let's open here some applications, for example YouTube, in order for you to see the speed of these phones. And I'm in fact let's here put one of my videos. It's better. No, not access. Let's go here, my channel. Okay, let's click in videos and let's go to the first look. Hello there, good people. Hope you are doing well. Greetings from. And as you can see, I'm recording at 60 frames per second in order for you to check if there is any lag or not. Everything seems to work, pretty well without any flaws whatsoever. Okay, YouTube, for example. Of course, I'm opening web-based apps, but why not? Netflix, let's open it, see how much time it takes to render. Okay, no problem. Let's go to Safari. Let's open here some web pages. Apple. Perfect. Let's quit. Very well. Let's open. I don't know, Bing. Yeah, no issues whatsoever. Everything seems to run pretty well. Now let's go to the App Store to see how much time it takes to render. Perfect, no issues also. Very well. iTunes Store. Of course I will not open the stock apps for privacy reasons, as you can imagine, but everything, guys, seems to work without any issues. Notification center, a little bit of lag over there, but everything, it's running pretty well. No issues here. Let's quit. Let's see, invoke the multitasking, open stock apps. Of course, my daughter doesn't use stocks, but okay, very well. So everything, guys, seems to be working without any issues. Okay, no, not allow. Okay, now let's go to the older brother, and you know, the device that still supports the iOS 12, and this device also running the same version of iOS 12.1. Okay, so let's go ahead and check. Let's go to the App Store first. That annoying message, as you can see, pretty fast. Let's open the iTunes Store. Okay, let's go ahead to Home App. Okay, it's not. Let's go to YouTube. I like this form factor, it's wonderful. Let's search here my channel. Okay, as you can see, pretty fast, you know, from a 5-year-old device. This is not bad at all. Okay, well, second, okay. You know, this was awful on iOS 11, and now it is a perfect, you know, device for a daily, as a daily driver. It is in fact, and I love this form factor, guys. I would love Apple, you know, to implement an OLED screen with this size. It is wonderful. As you can see, web pages seems to run pretty well. Let's click here on Apple Music, see how much time it takes to render. Oh, perfect. Let's open a new one. Let's go again to Apple, why not? Okay. As you know, I returned my iPhone XS. No need for that when all the phones are working so properly and do all the same things. Why I need a phone with plus $1,000? So everything seems to work pretty well, guys. So as you can see, no issues whatsoever. And according to them, this is from one of my daughters, my 2 daughters, the youngest and the oldest, everything seems to work without any issues. So guys, I know the new phones are having, you know, some strange things happening, but of course Apple will resolve that. But for me, everything, you know, on these 3 devices, the 8, the 6 and the 5S, everything, it's working without any flaws. So if you want, put on the comments below if you are having any issues on these devices or other devices, of course. And guys, for now this is all. Of course, today is Sunday, so expect a new release probably tomorrow or Tuesday. Okay, so stay safe, thank you for watching, and I see you on the next one. Bye bye.